Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to calibrate your laptop battery. If your laptop battery is dropping from like 40%, 90% or any other thing like this to 5% or something suddenly, this is a problem with battery calibration. And I'm going to show you how to actually fix this issue. So the first thing that you need to do is to charge your battery to 100%, and after that you need to unplug your battery and make sure that it reaches zero and dies. So after your battery dies, now you need to do the same steps again and charge it back to 100%. So you can do this again and again in like 2, 3, 4 days, and now you will see that your battery actually is calibrated again, and now it will show you the exact percentage of your battery. So you can do this every couple of months so that you can see the real percentage of your battery. And that's it. That's actually how you calibrate it with a very easy steps. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.